Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be discussing the Uyghurs. We have been seeing disturbing reports coming out of China regarding the situation of the Uyghur Muslims. But who are the Uyghur Muslims? And why is China suddenly cracking down on them? Let's find out. The Uyghurs are a Turkic ethnic group with the majority of the population being Muslims. Nearly 11 million Uyghurs currently live in the Xinjiang districts of China, residing in the far northwest regions. The Uyghurs have a long and contested history of existence within China, but it is very well established that they have been in China for a very long time now. The question which then arises is why the sudden crackdown on them? अचानक से ऐसा क्या हो गया?
What the hell happened here?
Chinese officials are concerned that Uyghurs hold extremist and separatist ideas, and they view the camps as a way of eliminating threats to China's territorial integrity, government, and population. Of course, why are you questioning their intentions? If you want to crack down on terrorism, if you want to eliminate terrorism, the only way is taking 1 million people of a certain population, locking them down, re-educating them, and even to some extent torturing them. How else are you going to get rid of terrorism?
It's simple. We kill the Batman.
Not like there was no warning for this. While visiting Xinjiang in 2014, President Xi Jinping warned of the toxicity of religious extremism and advocated for using the tools of dictatorship to eliminate Islamist extremism in a series of secret speeches. Tools of dictatorship, not a dictatorship. Please don't confuse both the things. They're going to use tools of dictatorship and not going to apply dictatorship. They're very different things. Let me share some wisdom with you all. I've noticed that if someone tells you something willingly and with ease, most often than not, that person is hiding something.
I am pretty wisdomous.
There is obviously more deep-rooted reasons. The Uyghurs have been the victims of decades of discrimination and marginalization within their own homeland. And in 2009, this resulted in a violent outburst between the Uyghurs and the Han Chinese, which resulted in 200 deaths. China blamed Uyghur separatists and has vowed to eliminate them and the militant Islamic ideology. Now, you must be asking, अब ये Han Chinese कौन है? Who are these Han Chinese? Who? The Han are China's ethnic majority, and President Xi Jinping is a promoter of Han nationalism as a unifying force. And that's the issue in a nutshell. I would further explain this, but it's not an original story anymore. We see it now, and if we don't do anything about it, we will keep seeing it in the future, and obviously the past has seen a lot of it already. Another country, another showcase of Islamophobia. Surveillance to a level that party members stay in Uyghur homes to report on extremist behavior. And extremist behavior even includes fasting in the month of Ramadan. Imagine not eating and drinking being a sign of extremism. There is a ban that you can't name your children Muhammad or Medina. What if I name my children Voldemort or Mugambo? Or what if I name them Darth Vader? That is not going to be cause for any suspicions? अजीब मजाक चल रहा है.
Luke, I am your father.
All this has been going on for a long time now. It is only in 2017 that it escalated, and in 2019 that we started talking about it. I guess we had more important issues to deal with, like, Kylie Jenner was not becoming the youngest billionaire and we had to give money to her. We've all been part of the same negligence, and the entire world is complicit. I'm not going to be telling you the details of what the detention camps do to these people, how they're being re-educated and how they're suffering. But I'll leave you with a thought. The lockdown was frustrating to us because it took our freedom to roam around. These people have their choice of being themselves being taken away from